Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about most confusing words in English. I am Ishita here, so let's start the video. So watch the full video till the end. I hope that will clear you all doubts about those confused words. And one more thing, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel for get notified when I post a new video. Okay, the first difference I will talk about everyday versus everyday. Every space day. It's an adverbial phrase. It describes the frequently. It used as on all of the days, each day and daily. For example, I study English every day. I study English every day. Number 2. He has to wear a uniform to work every day. He has to wear a uniform to work every day. Another everyday that has no space in every and day. That's a totally equal everyday. It's an adjective. It's used as ordinary, regular, normal or commonplace. Form everyday plus noun. See those examples. These plates are for everyday use. These plates are for everyday use. Number 2. Violent crime is an everyday occurrence in this part of the city. Violent crime is an everyday occurrence in this part of the city. Going to the next, that is a little versus little. Okay, so what means a little? It used with positive quantity and non-countable nouns. It means a small amount or some. For example, there is a little milk in the jar. There is a little milk in the jar. What little means? It expressed a diminutive size or a negative quantity. It means almost nothing or not so much. For example, I'm sorry, I speak little English. I am sorry, I speak little English. Number 2. There was little time to finish my homework. There was little time to finish my homework. Next is a few versus few. When to use a few and when to use few. Okay, a few, it used with a positive quantity with plural nouns. It means some or a small amount. For example, he has a few good friends, so he is happy. He has a few good friends, so he is happy. Now, few. When to use few? It's used with a positive and plural countable nouns. It means not many or not enough. For example, he has few photos on Instagram. He has few photos on Instagram. Next confused words are so and such. So is used with many, much, little and few. For example, the movie was so disappointing. The movie was so disappointing. And when to use such? Such is used with a lot of. A lot of. For example, the movie was such a disappointing that I would not recommend it to anyone. The movie was such a disappointing that I would not recommend it to anyone. Next is remember versus remind. When to use remember? Remember, this refers to your memory. It's about information that you hold your memory and store it. For example, do you remember the day when we had met first 2 years ago? Do you remember the day when we had met first 2 years ago? Remind. When to use remind? Remind causes someone to think of something, to make someone remember something. For example, the weather today reminds me a lot of memory. The weather today reminds me a lot of memory. Next is miss versus lose. Miss refer to be too late for something, being not noticed, or not seeing or hearing something. For example, hurry up or we will miss the bus. Hurry up or we will miss the bus. Number 2, I am really sorry that I missed your birthday. I am really sorry that I missed your birthday. And what loss means? Loss means not have something anymore or not be able to find it. For example, he always loses her car keys. He always loses her car keys. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood and clear up all doubts about those confused words. Stay connected for more this kind of video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for all updates.